Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you are all enjoying good health at homes. As you already know that we are studying homeostasis in humans. Continuing the topic of lungs, we are studying the structure of lungs, which includes some of the important regions. The short questions on this page include the first one: what are the two regions of longitudinal section of kidney? Answer: the longitudinal section of kidney shows two regions. Number one is renal cortex and number two is renal medulla. The next short question is: define renal cortex. Renal cortex is the outer part of kidney and it is dark red in color. Another short question on this page is: define renal medulla. Renal medulla is the inner part of kidney and is pale red in color. Renal medulla consists of several cone-shaped areas called renal pyramids. Define renal pyramids. Renal medulla consists of several cone-shaped areas called renal pyramids. Renal pyramids project into the funnel-shaped cavity called renal pelvis, which is the base of ureter. Moving towards important MCQs. The longitudinal section of kidney consists of two regions. Renal cortex is outer part of kidney and is dark red in color. The next MCQ is: renal medulla is the inner part of kidney and is pale red in color. Renal medulla consists of several cone-shaped areas called the renal pyramids. The last MCQ on this page is: renal pyramids project into funnel-shaped cavity called renal pelvis. Renal pelvis is the base of ureter. So these were some of the MCQs and short questions on this page, which are indicated over here. First short question on this page: define nephron. The answer: the functional unit of kidneys is called nephron. There are over 1 million nephrons in each kidney. Question number 2. Write parts of nephron. There are two parts of nephron, that is, number 1, renal corpuscle, and number 2, renal tubule. The next question: define renal corpuscle. Renal corpuscle is not tubular and has two parts. Number 1, glomerulus. Number 2, Bowman's capsule. What is glomerulus? Glomerulus is a network of capillaries. What is Bowman capsule? Bowman capsule is a cup-shaped structure that encloses glomerulus. Define renal tubule. Write names of its portions. Renal tubule is a part of nephron which starts after Bowman capsule. Its first portion is called the proximal convoluted tubule. Next portion is U-shaped and is called loop of Henle. The last portion of renal tubule is the distal convoluted tubule. Define collecting duct. The distal convoluted tubule of many nephrons open in a single collecting duct. Define papillary ducts. Many collecting ducts join together to form several hundred papillary ducts, which drain into renal pelvis. These all are the short questions on this page. Now we would discuss some of the MCQs. The first MCQ is taken from the definition of nephron. Functional unit of kidney is called nephron. There are over 1 million nephrons in each kidney. There are two parts of nephron. Another MCQ includes: the renal corpuscle is not tubular and has two parts. Bowman capsule is a cup-shaped structure. The first portion of renal tubule is called proximal convoluted tubule. The U-shaped portion of renal tubule is called loop of Henle. The last portion of renal tubule is called distal convoluted tubule. The distal convoluted tubule of many nephrons open in a single collecting duct. So students, the indicated MCQs and short questions are the important MCQs with reference to board examination. We will continue these topics in the next video. Okay, thank you students.